I'm gonna tell you guys where the fit is from. Shoes are Pink Manor, jeans are Montego, shirt is Shein, bag is Jacquemus, personality is priceless. We are at Beauty Wear. Jewelry check. Say hi to the vlog, guys.
Is it a reel or what?
We're doing a YouTube vlog. Guys, look how cool of a brand Pond's is. Now they're gonna be like, they're paying you to say this. Technically, I am in a contract. This is actually a really cool collab. There's a claw machine. How cool. And I'm sipping the Pond's. Cuties.
Hello.
I have to do some work first. I swear, I'm on. I swear, I just have to finish talking promotion.
I literally are.
I'm an ad. Please get your sleek brushes in a thin version.
Really?
Who can use that big brush on their
Which
head?
one do you have?
I have
the round one.
No, I have both of your sleek brushes.
Like the rectangular.
Yeah, but how do you use that bloody brush?
Like thoda sa hairspray lagao, and then thoda sa.
Oh fuck! I never thought of it like that.
It's a sleek brush. It's a sleek brush.
So I have a thin sleek brush.
Yeah, I get that.
I love this.
So these are the kits. These are
Listen,
the
this is fab.
Really?
This is so fab. This is so good for like birthday gifts. You want to say hi to my YouTube vlog?
Hi.
Guys, she is the lovely creative behind all that you guys can see. And I love that I'm standing in the girls club made by girls. And like, oh my god. In the girls club, like girls supporting girls, businesses, the vibe. Yeah, like welcome to my crib, my MTV crib, my girls club. But honestly, love it. Love you. Because I'm working. I know, I've seen the pin. Listen, I want a pin for my big Miu Miu.
Yeah.
You wouldn't know this, but she sent me my first ever PR. She sent me those silver
earrings that you showed me some time back.
So this is like a full collab between Nush, Claw Clip.
Oh, very nice.
Yeah.
What color is your bag?
Listen, I want to do a necklace.
Do a necklace, whichever you want.
I'm gonna do a necklace.
Yeah.
I'm so tired of that show now. I did this to myself.
The necklace is cute. The necklace is cute.
Which one is?
Yeah, but like infinity is not my thing.
Were
Yeah.
you team send belly to therapy?
Honestly, yes, but I'm such like I love a good romance, so like I had to be Team Conrad. Like I couldn't do anything else. You haven't seen this show, you must watch. I love your work. So smartly executed. Like I always see the renders and I'm like a sucker for like just looking at how like something is the vision and when it comes alive. Doing a fab. हाँ, इनके कपड़े तो मैंने.
No, मेरे कपड़े मेरा बच्चा नहीं जैसे पहनता है नीचे जाके.
No, she would not give me her shoes, but she's like मैं इनका जूता खोल देती हूँ.
At one point of time.
नहीं अभी भी बोलती है तो मेरे जूते खोल देती है. मेरा थोड़ा चौड़ा पैर है.
Size same है but थोड़ा सा चौड़ा है.
Yeah.
Hi. I'm well.
It's been so long.
It really has, Mama. This is Omama. She was the first person who's worked with Isla's World.
Oh, nice.
How are you?
I've been good, just busy with university and everything.
Oh my god, amazing. What have you been up to?
Yeah, media studies.
Mashallah.
I'm actually here for a project as well. I have to film like this news package thing here.
Damn. Hi, nice to meet you. How are you?
Also, Auntie, I really love you and your band. Me and my mom were so happy on your wedding.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Because my mom is also a single mother, so I'm like, आपकी wish करा दूँगी थोड़े वक्त
अब सबकी करा.
Straight up.
सबकी करा
Bro,
दूँगी.
this is like the mother whole POV of single parents. They're like, bus up. Time aa raha hai. So guys, we're gonna also be like FOC mein, add it in our YouTube vlog, give you guys shout outs. So like that's on me. So Hashir, anytime. We are here, guys. We are here. Wait, I think I know that person, but I don't want to meet people right now. Okay, so we are here in Said Ghani right now. And I'm so excited because you guys know I love fragrances and they have a lot of fragrances. And we're going to be trying some out and selecting our favorites. The top sellers. Ish? Okay. What's up with us? आप लोग definitely mini perfumes भी बनाए. Like the mini bag travel size are the most convenient. Oh, Zabardast. इस पे तो ऑलरेडी एक बहुत अच्छी खुशबू है. So I was like, damn, wow. Very nice. Floral. Notes of rose. Pretty much rose. It's very, very nice. So I have Zahra by Said Ghani. I'm gonna try this. Oh, this is so nice. Okay guys, immediately, this is floral. Yeah, this is a bit lighter, so this is perfect for the daytime. And if you guys are looking for gifts, I feel like Shadi season abhi aa raha hai. Fragrance is the best category to gift someone because fragrance means memories. Okay, I also love men's fragrances. Burak. Very, very nice. Faith, thank you so much.
I've started using your rice face wash. Okay.
You like it?
Yeah.
She tried. She's been using it since.
Because I'm the I lead the new product development department.
Yeah.
So I came up with the idea, and then we.
So she got it from that Beauty World bag.
Yeah, in the
Like,
PR.
to try. So I tried. मैं 3 दिन से use कर रही हूँ.
Oh,
और
you're so
मैंने अभी अपने
glad.
एक beauty they asked me कि that your
She's doing a tutorial
routine में
soon.
मैंने डाल दिया Said Ghani का.
Yeah.
You have to try this local product. Really.
Yeah.
बहुत मजे का.
News for us.
No, really
Yeah.
nice.
No, she's like my little guinea pig when it comes to parcels because I'm like, Mama, आधे आप try करें.
ऐसा brand है ना, you know, they have.
No, but you guys have the loyalty. I think because आप लोगों का नाम सुन के एक वो होता है कि whatever you guys are selling has authenticity to the product and it's tested.
Absolutely.
Yeah, and it's also like a Pakistani brand and like supporting
Yeah,
local
like
is so
local, you
important.
see, the best thing is the local product.
Okay. Yeah, okay guys, let's see what I win. I have a very bad luck with spin the wheel, so I hope it's good today. It is, to be honest. Baby blue and I told you I'll be back. 786 breathable nail polishes. I love this color. And I also really like this nude and I feel like nudes look good all year round. So you guys must try it out.
आइना पता है कौन सा अच्छा ये लो ये लाइलैक बहुत अच्छा है
हाँ मैं ये दो
ये बहुत अच्छी है हाँ
Yes.
these two are very nice
my colors.
ये भी ना बनाओ मेरे को खुदा के वास्ते
मैंने
प्लीज
कहा थोड़ा मुझे भी नाम बुला दिया क्या तुम क्या मैंने के पास गई मैंने कहा नाम बताओ मेरी है 786 मैंने कहा नहीं पता नहीं कोई और नाम नहीं मैंने कहा नहीं उसने कहा अदील मैंने कहा हाँ अदील करो
My
So,
apologies.
अबे पागल है क्या बच्ची हो तुम हमारी सामने की छोटी थी अभी तो बड़ी हो गई तुम
Guys, we're at the back side. Okay, we're really at the back side of Beautyverse because यहाँ लोग इतने ज़्यादा हैं. अब आज master class चल रही है. Skincare की. And there's just so many people just walking and looking like into your eyes and it's like very romantic. With primary skin, they have great toners. And by Myra, great perfumes. Okay guys, we have lost audio and that was on us because हम एक reel भी shoot कर रहे थे. So this was me just shooting like BTS elements for this reel. और मेरी जो पूरी vibe थी, I wanted to point on that inspiration sign and वो like कौन सा है? Jeff Anderson? No, that's a designer. Wes Anderson वाली feel आ जाती. देखो मैं ढूंढ रही हूँ and the camera's gonna pan out. And I'm still ढूंढोफying as you guys can see. I use my hands a lot when I'm describing things. What are we looking for? Where is the inspiration is probably what I said. And really sad I lost the audio of this part. Even the guard and the security at the back is like, this girl is crazy. We are gonna walk inside. And guys, मैं थक गई थी. बहुत time हो गया था. मैं 2.5 घंटे से इस festival पे थी. It's so weird to be vlogging in public, but why am I walking so weirdly? Okay, see, I went to this stall. And I met Aksa, who is part of the Mashin team, and she was looking fab. And then we did some content together, actually. And we've lost all of this audio. And I said, say hi to the vlog. Hi. And the girls at the back, they're so sweet. They had a great snail mucin, you guys. They have like K-beauty products. So they start telling me and Aksa about their brand. And I was really eyeing Aksa's like this cotton candy. It looked really yummy. And my last like experience with the cotton candy, मेरे हाथ पे पूरी melt हो गई थी. I don't want to talk about it. और यही Andalusian banquets पे हुआ था. So guys, we learnt about the products
And these are reusable eye patches they had. You know जो आप eye mask की तरह eye patches अपनी eyes के नीचे लगाते हो और वो जो ख़त्म हो जाते हैं, like you just have to throw them away. These are reusable and you can put like your own product with it. I was like fully shocked. And then we met, oh my god, I met Mantaha. Why are you saying we? And I met Mantaha. She's someone I know from so many years. And Mama और मेरा बस एक concert चल रहा था. She actually got like no nonsense cheesecake, which was very yummy.
Okay, I have all these parcels. Not even parcels. Thank you so much to all the brands जिन्होंने मुझे ये सारा सामान फ्री में दिया है, because मेरा काम है products को review करना. To start off with, मैं थोड़ी unboxings करूँगी. I absolutely love Ofra Cosmetics. इनका मैं highlight palette eyeshadow की तरह use करती हूँ. Oh, this is my new eyeshadow color. So thank you so much Ofra for this. Then if I don't come home from an event without a Pond's product, there is no event. Pond's Hydra Miracle, thank you so much. Then we have actually a really fun package. I have a free delivery voucher from oh my god. Free delivery voucher from Bag Gallery. You want? You want to do free delivery? Thank you, Bag Gallery. Then we have such a beautiful box from Allure by MHD. I've seen them do some really lovely jewelry. And if you guys bought from Blue Skincare, they would give you earrings for free. Look at these earrings. What a good thing to get for free. These are beautiful. So thank you so much, Allure and Blue Skincare. This is a very thoughtful parcel. Okay, 786 halal nail polish in a way कि आप अगर इनका एक कोट लगाते हैं, these are applicable for namaz. I'm not claiming it. You guys can go check out their website. मैंने भी as a customer पहली दफ़ा try करने के लिए products choose करें. I have two nail polishes, a blue and a lilac. So I'm really excited to try these. Then there's another skincare brand called Seora. And you know, Hussain, one thing I noticed today, Baba, so many local skincare brands. It's insane. It's absolutely insane. And they gave me a lip mask, which is so nice. And they gave me Seora lip butter in berry. This is going to my mother because she's already said this is mine. I said sure. Then this is such a heavy and thoughtful package from Bloom. So they have Korean skincare. And they've given me their brightening eye gel because I was talking about this and how I really want to try a brightening eye gel. We can try this and see how it works. Let's put on one eye and actually record like a before and after. They've also given me their snail mucin, which is amazing. You need this. More than me, you need this. This is to die for. I love a good snail mucin, and actually I tried it when I was at their like shop and I put it on my hand. It was nice. Oh, there's so many products here. 3D collagen face mask. So cool. Lifting and firming. And we have a vitamin C serum. And we have the last thing, which is a vitamin C face cream. Vitamin C is a great ingredient जिसमें antioxidants होते हैं, मतलब it really helps with brightening your skin and also evening out अगर आपकी skin पे post acne marks हैं. मेरी skin पे भी हैं, लेकिन मैं makeup इतना अच्छा करती हूँ ना, किसी को दिखते नहीं है. But अगर आपके ऐसे वाले marks हैं, vitamin C is your best friend. So thank you so much. But Saeed Gunny gifted me a perfume. They gifted me their bestseller. They gifted me Ishq, which is a very feminine floral scent, which is really nice. Oh my god, favorite parcel. Why is this my favorite parcel, you guys may ask? Because some of my favorite brands that include Nush, that include Mission Co, that include Clubhouse, which are great with activations, and Milo's Matcha came together at Beautyverse and did something called Girls Club. So obviously, me being a loyalist for the brands, I couldn't leave empty-handed. So Nush presented me with this. I'm gonna open it. I already know what it is. And I just love a good claw clip. So I just got a yellow claw clip. Thank you so much, Anusha. This is so sweet. And she gave me
stickers. Oh my god, free Palestine. How cute. Well, if you know, you know. We can say free Palestine, no one's gonna cancel us. And I made myself a necklace at Mission Co that my mother just decided to copy and got the same. So now me and her have the same necklaces. This is my new necklace. It's a little ace. I have so many new necklaces, like purely just from Mish. If you guys can see, that's my new heart. Also, that's about it. Thank you guys. Thank you guys for watching this and giving me all these free products, like trusting me and giving me stuff for free. I'm not good, like I'm saying it like I'm gonna run away with it, but thank you so much for all the love. Truly, you guys have shown my skincare content out of all my content arcs. I know fashion ke bhi aap log dekhte hain, but skin is such a personal journey, or inshallah on this channel you guys are going to be seeing so much more guftagoo, which is chatter, because I already talk so much on my Be Bare podcast, inshallah, and we're going to be discussing all things skin. And thank you so much to all these brands for trusting me. Truly, I love you guys, love your products, and can't wait to try all these things. So bye.